What is up, people of the extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive. Not exactly an automotive topic, but I want to show you something cool. I bought, as you can see in the background whirling away, a 3D printer. But we're going to make something automotive-ish with it one day. But let me just show you what it's about and maybe try to get some ideas from you guys. Oh, by the way, my studio's pretty much finished. So, yeah, this is the Ender Pro 3 by Creality, I think is how you say that. And basically, it's a 3D printer. And right now, I'm printing the infamous Ford V8 logo. Now, this is actually the third print I've made on this. And actually, I made a mistake. So you may not can tell it, but there's a little dark spot right there on the 8. I actually had some black filament, which I have right here, that was in here before this, and I made the Random Automotive logo, which is going to go between the two pictures on the wall up there. And essentially, I didn't let it get all the black out, and so at first it was kind of making a mixture in the middle. So I'll be honest with you, a 3D printer is not something I know a lot about. When I was in high school, there was 3D printers, but they were literally the size of this 6-foot table, couldn't do very much, and were like mess ton of money. So I'm trying to think of some automotive parts. I know that I want to replace the knobs on the Jeep, the climate control knobs, and there's actually a file for that. And right now I'm just kind of making plastic logos or filament logos. I don't know what you really call it. So this is the Creality Ender Pro 3 or 3 Pro. I don't know how you say it. But anyway, so I've gotten pretty good at coming up with the templates and the modeling and stuff on it. I'm not going to do a review on this just yet, simply because I don't really know a whole lot about it. Here's a little bit of the put together process. I'd say it took me about an hour to put it together and have it functioning properly. I don't know that it would take a typical person, a normal person, to take that long, but it did me. So far it's out here and in the studio. One thing we are working in the studio is to get air conditioner out here because it is hot in here. We've got dehumidifiers to keep electronics from frying, but you know. So kind of want to get some ideas from you guys of things that we could make with this from the automotive standpoint and maybe some replacement parts. If you're watching this video and you're like a 3D expert, pro, printer, whatever, doesn't really matter, and I'm doing about 50 things wrong, yeah, you're pretty much right. I am doing about 510 things wrong. So as always, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for some new ones. I promise they are coming. I want to say welcome to everybody. Sorry, I had an itch right there. All the new guys coming. As always, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.